In this video, you will learn how to buy options on XTB. Log into your XTB account, open the xStation platform, then log in with your XTB credentials. Search for an underlying asset. Use the search bar to find the stock or index or asset you'd like to trade options on. Note: XTB primarily offers CFDs, or traditional options may not be directly available in all regions. Check for available derivatives. If XTB offers an option for your selected asset, you will find them listed under the instruments like stock options or equity options. Select an option contract. Choose the option type, such as a put or a call. Strike price or expiration date that fits your strategy. Set trade details. Enter the volume, stop loss, and take profit if you desire to. Review the margin required and current premium price. Place the order. Click buy or call or sell to put, then confirm your trade. Monitor your positions under the Open Trades tab. Now you know how to buy options on XTB trading platform. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.